Hello everybody, I'm Austin Vaziri. Today we're making a plant-based chimichanga. We're going to be utilizing So Delicious dairy-free cheddar shreds. When we are utilizing dairy-based cheeses, we are looking for two things in particular. We are looking for umami flavors and we are looking for meltability. For a plant-based solution, So Delicious dairy-free shreds gives us those two characteristics. Consumers are seeking it not just because of dietary restrictions, but because of preference as well. The nutrient contents, the flavor. The first thing we want to focus on is cutting some red onion, and then we're going to dice up some Roma tomatoes, add a little bit of minced garlic, and roughly chopped cilantro. And we're going to juice about 3 lemons. Mix that up and we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna take our flour tortilla. We're gonna wanna warm that tortilla. You can't really use corn in this application because you're not going to get that crunchiness, that mouthfeel that you're looking for when eating a chimichanga. So we take our warm flour tortilla, we lather it with some of our guacamole, we top it with our So Delicious dairy-free cheddar, shreds, black beans, and some fresh pico de gallo. We roll that into a burrito. We skewer the burrito together and then we deep fry it at 350 degrees for about 4 minutes or until golden brown. Let the oil drain. Transfer the chimichanga onto your cutting board. Slice it on a bias. We want to go for something a little bit more modern with the ingredients that we have today. So we're going to start out with a drizzle of our dairy-free sour cream. We're going to take our bias cut chimichanga, place that right over the sour cream, drizzle a little bit more of that sour cream, and garnish with a little bit of roughly chopped cilantro and fresh pico de gallo. There you have our plant-based chimichanga made with So Delicious dairy-free cheddar shreds.